Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of barometers. So, let's get started. First things first, what is a barometer? A barometer is a scientific instrument that measures air pressure in a certain environment. It's an essential tool for meteorologists, as pressure tendency can forecast short-term changes in the weather. Now, let's talk about the manufacturing process of a barometer. The most common type of barometer is the aneroid barometer, which is made of a sealed chamber containing a flexible diaphragm. When the air pressure changes, the diaphragm moves, and the movement is converted into a mechanical signal that can be read by a human. Another type of barometer is the mercury barometer, which uses mercury as a column of liquid. The height of the mercury column is directly proportional to the air pressure. So, what are the advantages of using a barometer? Well, for one, it's a great tool for predicting weather changes. By monitoring air pressure, meteorologists can predict whether the weather will change in the next few hours or days. This information is crucial for planning activities and preparing for potential storms. However, there are also some disadvantages to using a barometer. For example, it can be challenging to interpret the data accurately, especially for those who are not experienced in reading the instrument. Additionally, barometers can be quite expensive, making them less accessible to the general public. In conclusion, barometers are fascinating instruments that play a crucial role in meteorology. While they have their advantages, they also come with some drawbacks. But overall, they're a valuable tool for understanding and predicting weather changes. That's it for today's Tech Talk. If you found this information helpful, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech-related content. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.